Fluency practice. Color words with sentences. Let's read. This is a red apple. This is a red pencil. This is a red star. This is a red raincoat. This is a red balloon. This is a red tomato. This is a red ribbon. This is a red flower. This is a red guitar. She has a yellow flower. She has a yellow bag. She has a yellow doll. She has a yellow towel. I see a blue book. I see a bluebird. I see a blue car. I see a blue whale. I see a green butterfly. I see a green kite. I see a green hat. I see an orange cake. I see an orange house. I see an orange shoes. I see a brown bear. I see a brown rice. I see a brown puppy. I see a white dog. I see a black cat. See you in our next video. Goodbye.